when you're in college, you don't really learn how to network, how to brand yourself, and how to really harness the internet to promote your professional presence. They always wanted to know how they could present themselves more professionally, how they could seek out job opportunities, how they can impress employers, and really how they could just polish themselves online. So that's really why I started it, and I decided, I didn't only want to help my friends, I wanted to be able to serve a larger audience and reach more people, because this is information I think a lot of people already need. Personal branding is very, very important because it's what makes you unique and what makes you stand out from your peers. It also is what gives you a competitive advantage when you're going to get jobs or going for different opportunities. So I think that personal branding is something that not only college students and recent grads should be mindful of, but also entrepreneurs who are looking to take their business to the next level and really build credibility in their industry. But you're really the face of your brand, and it's important to take into consideration a lot of factors that many entrepreneurs, because they're busy, managing their business and just running their business in general, don't have time to really focus on. The branding news is certainly growing. We're adding different programs, different classes that people can take at their own time so that they really learn how to brand themselves and how to use the internet to create that professional presence that we have talked about. Hi, my name is Emily Dela Cruz, and I'm the founder and CEO of thebrandingmuse.com.